Here are the simple steps for scheduling a service appointment by using your phone. First, head to Dave Sinclair Buick-GMC.com. Then, select Schedule Service. Once that page loads, scroll down and enter your email or your phone number. Check the box that says Not a Robot, then click Start. Now you'll select your make, then the year of your vehicle. If you make a mistake, you can select the category to go back to the previous page. And finally, you can select your model. Next, select how many miles you have, then select your vehicle's needs. This page will recommend certain services to you. You can either choose the package, or you can enter custom services that you would like done to your vehicle. When you're finished, select Find Appointment. From here, you'll select your service advisor, your transportation, and finally, schedule the date and time of your appointment. The final page, you will enter your contact information and then select Confirm to confirm your appointment. After this step, your phone will send you a message confirming the details of your appointment.